In the realm of automotive manufacturing, Tesla has become synonymous with innovation and efficiency, boasting a production process that enables the company to churn out a new car every 30 seconds. This remarkable feat is made possible by Tesla's cutting-edge assembly line, a high-tech marvel that combines automation, robotics, and advanced manufacturing techniques to streamline the production process and maximize output. At the heart of Tesla's lightning-fast production line is its commitment to vertical integration and in-house manufacturing. Unlike traditional automakers, who rely heavily on third-party suppliers for components and parts, Tesla manufactures the majority of its components in-house, allowing for greater control over the production process and reducing dependence on external suppliers. This vertical integration enables Tesla to maintain a high level of quality control and efficiency throughout the manufacturing process, ensuring that each car meets the company's exacting standards. Another key factor in Tesla's rapid production pace is its extensive use of automation and robotics. From stamping and welding to painting and final assembly, robots play a central role in almost every aspect of Tesla's production process, performing repetitive tasks with speed and precision that far surpasses human capabilities. By automating these tasks, Tesla is able to minimize production time and reduce the risk of errors or defects, resulting in a more efficient and consistent manufacturing process. Furthermore, Tesla has pioneered the use of advanced manufacturing techniques such as 3D printing and laser cutting to further streamline production and reduce costs. These technologies enable Tesla to rapidly prototype and iterate on new designs, as well as produce complex components with a level of precision and efficiency that would be impossible using traditional manufacturing methods. By leveraging these cutting-edge techniques, Tesla is able to accelerate the production process and bring new cars to market faster than ever before. In addition to its focus on automation and advanced manufacturing techniques, Tesla has also invested heavily in workforce training and development to ensure that its employees have the skills and expertise needed to keep pace with the demands of modern automotive production. Tesla's factory workers undergo rigorous training programs and are equipped with the latest tools and technologies to perform their jobs safely and efficiently. By empowering its workforce with the knowledge and resources they need to succeed, Tesla is able to maintain a high level of productivity and output on the factory floor. Beyond its internal operations, Tesla has also optimized its supply chain and logistics to support its rapid production pace. By strategically locating its factories and distribution centers near key suppliers and markets, Tesla is able to minimize transportation costs and reduce lead times for critical components, allowing for more efficient production and faster delivery of finished vehicles to customers. Additionally, Tesla leverages data analytics and predictive modeling to forecast demand and optimize inventory levels, ensuring that the right parts are available when and where they are needed. In conclusion, Tesla's ability to build a new car every 30 seconds is a testament to the company's relentless pursuit of innovation and efficiency. By leveraging vertical integration, automation, advanced manufacturing techniques, and a skilled workforce, Tesla has revolutionized the automotive industry and set a new standard for speed and efficiency in car production. As Tesla continues to push the boundaries of what is possible, it is poised to remain at the forefront of automotive manufacturing for years to come.